Welcome to the Ratchet Salon where we have our victim today.
Hey, I have bleach going on in my hair. I'm gonna bleach it out first and then we'll surprise you with what's coming up next.
So this is the bleach. We're done with the bleach and we've washed it out. And I mean, it did come out a nice color. So what do you think?
I think I like it this color, but I still want to add the other colors to go with it.
So let's get started adding other colors. Hang on. Alright, the colors that we are using is Tanzanite from Ion, Cantaloupe from Ion, and Jade from Ion. And we're going to do her whole head. It's going to be awesome. We're going to kill it. Right? Alright, so let's get started.
Are we doing?
So we are coloring now, using 3 different colors. Turning out awesome. Here, talk to them a little bit.
Hi. I haven't got to see any of it yet. I'm excited. He's doing a really good job from what I can tell. So hopefully all goes well, my hair won't fall out, and it'll be a nice 3 shades. Hi. Say hi, Panda. Hi. Looking good.
Talk about whatever.
Alright, we'll talk about... are you about done?
Well, we still have the side to do and the top to do. So I really like it so far.
Coming out really pretty colors. Can't tell, it's still dark.
Put it on this side and you can see.
This side?
No, this side.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's awesome. That almost looks like that girl's hair if I had more hair. Turned out awesome.
No.